I got sick and I'm in the hospital right now. Look at that. There you go. Here. See? So I got 5 times. And the last one was this. Look. This is the second one. Wait, first one, second one. Again. Here's the third, fourth. This is the fifth.
Ang bilis lang sa kanya. Isa lang.
So, the idea, one bed. That's it. Three bed, two beds. That's it. Guys, I hope you like and subscribe. See you.